क्या आपको पता है कि एप्पल, जो सिर्फ एक गैरेज में शुरू हुआ था, आज $3 ट्रिलियन से भी ज्यादा की कंपनी बन चुकी है? लेकिन क्या ये सिर्फ स्टीव जॉब्स की इनोवेशन का कमाल था, या इसके पीछे कुछ ऐसे सीक्रेट्स थे जो दुनिया को नहीं पता? सीरियसली, फ्रॉम 0 to $3 ट्रिलियन, दैट्स इनसेन। वी गॉटा फाइंड आउट हाउ दे डिड इट। आज हम आपको एप्पल की सफलता के वो अनकहे राज बताएंगे जो शायद ही किसी ने बताए हों। अगर आप एक एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं या बिजनेस से जुड़े हैं, तो ये वीडियो आपकी लाइफ बदल सकता है। We're gonna break it down, look at the history, the products, the strategy and figure out what makes this company so incredibly successful. तो चलिए जानते हैं, Apple आखिर इतना सक्सेसफुल क्यों है? Stick around, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Apple का पहला बड़ा secret है, think different mindset. You know that old Apple slogan? Yeah, it's not just a marketing line, they live it. When the whole world was stuck thinking about personal computers as just boring office tools, Steve Jobs saw something different. He saw a future where these things were in every home, easy to use, and even, dare I say it, cool? जब दुनिया पर्सनल कंप्यूटर को सिर्फ ऑफिस का एक टूल समझ रही थी, तब स्टीव जॉब्स ने इसे हर घर का हिस्सा बनाने का सपना देखा. This dude was a visionary. While other companies were focused on cramming in features and making things cheaper, Apple prioritized design and an intuitive user interface. They were all about simplicity and elegance, and it showed in everything they did. उन्होंने डिजाइन और इंट्यूटिव इंटरफेस को प्रायोरिटी दी, जो उस समय किसी और कंपनी ने नहीं किया था. And let's be real, back then, computers were not user-friendly. Clunky, complicated, ugly beige boxes. Apple comes along with the sleek Macintosh and it's a game changer. Apple हमेशा ट्रेंड फॉलो करने के बजाय ट्रेंड सेट करता है. This is key. They don't chase trends, they create them. They see where technology is going, and they push the boundaries even if it means taking risks. iPhone लॉन्च से पहले कोई सोच भी नहीं सकता था कि एक टच स्क्रीन फोन पूरी दुनिया बदल देगा. Remember when the iPhone first came out, people were skeptical. They were like, who needs a phone without a physical keyboard? But Apple knew better. They saw the potential of a fully touch-based interface, and they went all in. यही की ताकत थी जिसने Apple को मार्केट में सबसे आगे रखा. This think different philosophy is baked into their DNA. It's about challenging the status quo, being bold, and always pushing for something better. And it's a big part of what sets them apart from the competition. One of the things that makes Apple, well, Apple, is their relentless pursuit of perfection. They sweat the details, even the ones you might not notice. From the materials they use to the way their software feels, everything is meticulously crafted. Apple कभी भी सिर्फ सस्ता प्रोडक्ट बनाने की रेस में नहीं भागा. They've always positioned themselves as a premium brand, and they're not afraid to charge a premium price for their products. While other companies were all about cutting costs and undercutting each other on price, Apple focused on quality, user experience, and exclusivity. जब बाकी कंपनियां कम कीमत में ज्यादा फीचर्स देने की कोशिश कर रही थीं, Apple ने फोकस किया क्वालिटी, यूजर एक्सपीरियंस और एक्सक्लूसिविटी पर. They knew that people were willing to pay more for a product that just worked better, looked better, and felt better to use. And they were right. उनके devices सिर्फ गैजेट नहीं, बल्कि एक status symbol बन गए. Owning an Apple product became a way to signal something about yourself, that you appreciate quality, that you're on the cutting edge of technology, that you're part of the in crowd. MacBooks, iPhones or iPads की build quality, display, software integration, बाकी कंपनियों से मीलों आगे है. Seriously, have you ever held a MacBook Pro? That aluminum unibody construction, the crisp retina display, the smooth trackpad, it's like holding a piece of jewelry. यही वजह है कि लोग लाखों खर्च करके भी Apple के प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदते हैं. They're not just buying a phone or a laptop, they're buying into an experience, a feeling, an idea. And that's something you can't put a price tag on. Okay, let's talk about the Apple ecosystem. This is one of their biggest strengths, and it's a huge reason why people stick with Apple products year after year. Once you're in, it's hard to leave. Apple का सबसे बड़ा USP है उसका ecosystem. It's not just about the individual products, it's about how they all work together seamlessly. If you have an iPhone, a Mac, an iPad, and an Apple Watch, you're not just using 4 separate devices, you're using one integrated system. अगर आपके पास एक iPhone है, तो आप इसे Mac, iPad और Apple Watch के साथ smoothly connect कर सकते हैं. You can start writing an email on your iPhone and finish it on your Mac. You can copy text on your iPad and paste it on your iPhone. You can even unlock your Mac with your Apple Watch. It just works. AirDrop, iCloud, iMessage, Handoff जैसी टेक्नोलॉजी Apple यूजर्स को दूसरे ब्रांड्स की तुलना में ज्यादा कन्वीनियंस देती है. These features might seem small, but they make a huge difference in your day-to-day life. They eliminate friction, reduce headaches, and just make things easier. एक बार जो Apple में आता है वो कभी बाहर नहीं जाना चाहता. It's like a warm, inviting hug that you never want to leave. And that's exactly what Apple wants. They want you to be so ingrained in their ecosystem that you can't imagine using anything else. यही Apple की business strategy का सबसे बड़ा master stroke है. It's brilliant, really. They create a closed-loop system that keeps people coming back for more. And it's incredibly effective. Chapter 4. Marketing or branding ka master stroke. Let's be real, Apple knows how to put on a show. Their marketing is next level, and it plays a huge role in their success. Apple की marketing strategy भी इसकी सफलता का एक बड़ा कारण है. They've mastered the art of creating hype, building anticipation, and making their products seem like must-haves. जब iPhone launch होता है, तो वो सिर्फ एक product launch नहीं होता, बल्कि event बन जाता है. Remember those iconic Steve Jobs keynotes? The black turtleneck, the jeans, the one more thing? He knew how to work a crowd and build excitement for whatever Apple was about to release. Apple अपने advertising में सिर्फ product की specifications नहीं बताता, बल्कि emotions बेचता है. They don't just tell you about the specs of their products, they tell you stories. They show you how their products can improve your life, connect you with others, and help you express your creativity. Shot on iPhone जैसी campaign Apple को बाकी brands से अलग बनाती है. This campaign is genius in its simplicity. It showcases the incredible cameras on iPhones by featuring stunning photos and videos taken by everyday users. It's relatable, aspirational, and it reinforces the message that anyone can create something amazing with an iPhone. Apple का हर product सिर्फ एक device नहीं, बल्कि एक lifestyle बन चुका है. It's about being part of something bigger, something cool, something aspirational, and their marketing does an incredible job of conveying that message. Chapter 5. Limited options and limited demand. This might seem counterintuitive, but Apple's strategy of offering a limited number of products is actually a huge part of their success. Apple की एक और खास बात यह है कि वो कभी भी बहुत ज़्यादा products launch नहीं करता. While other companies are flooding the market with dozens of different models, each with slightly different features, Apple keeps it simple. They focus on a few core products and they make sure those products are amazing. बाकी कंपनियां हर साल दर्जनों मॉडल्स निकालती हैं, लेकिन Apple सिर्फ 2-3 मॉडल्स पर फोकस करता है. This creates a sense of exclusivity and makes their products seem more desirable. It also simplifies their manufacturing process and makes it easier for them to maintain quality control. इससे उसकी brand value बनी रहती है और demand हमेशा high रहती है. Think about it. When a new iPhone comes out, everyone knows about it. There's a limited supply, so people line up for days to get their hands on one. It creates a frenzy and it keeps Apple in the headlines. नए iPhones के लिए लंबी लाइनें लगती हैं, क्योंकि Apple हमेशा scarcity marketing को use करता है. By intentionally limiting supply, they create a sense of urgency and make their products seem even more valuable. कम options, ज़्यादा demand equals ज़्यादा profit. It's a simple equation, but it's incredibly effective, and it's a big part of why Apple is so profitable. Chapter 6. Leadership or Vision. Apple's success isn't just about Steve Jobs. Though he was undoubtedly a visionary leader, the company has continued to thrive under the leadership of Tim Cook, who has his own strengths. Steve Jobs के बाद भी Apple का success growth रुका नहीं बल्कि और तेज हुआ. Tim Cook has focused on operational excellence, streamlining supply chains, and expanding Apple's reach into new markets. He's also overseen the launch of successful new products like the Apple Watch and AirPods. Tim Cook ने operational excellence को बढ़ाया और Apple को $3 trillion तक ले गए. He's a master of logistics and efficiency, and he's helped Apple become a well-oiled machine. Apple लगातार AI, Arkansas और नई टेक्नोलॉजी में innovation कर रहा है. They're investing heavily in augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and other cutting-edge technologies. They're not resting on their laurels, they're constantly looking for the next big thing. Visionary leadership ही किसी कंपनी को लंबे समय तक नंबर 1 बनाए रख सकती है. Whether it's Steve Jobs' focus on design and user experience or Tim Cook's operational expertise, strong leadership has been crucial to Apple's success. Apple सिर्फ एक कंपनी नहीं बल्कि भविष्य का एक आइकॉन है. They've become synonymous with innovation, quality, and style, and they show no signs of slowing down. Outro, क्या आप Apple जैसी success चाहते हैं? So, we've covered a lot of ground here. We've seen how Apple went from a garage operation to a multi-trillion-dollar behemoth. But the real question is, what can we learn from them? अब सवाल ये है कि क्या आप एप्पल जैसी सक्सेस अपनी लाइफ या बिजनेस में लाना चाहते हैं? If you're an entrepreneur, a business owner, or just someone who wants to achieve great things, there's a lot you can take away from Apple's story. अगर हाँ, तो आपको इनोवेशन, परफेक्शन, इकोसिस्टम और ब्रांडिंग को सही तरीके से अपनाना होगा. It's about thinking differently, sweating the details, creating a seamless experience, and building a brand that people love. It's not easy, but it's definitely possible. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be the next Apple. Peace out.